Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 6 sets exercise 6a question 3. State which of the following are empty sets. Now we have to state which of these sets are empty sets. So what is an empty set, right? See, of course we know we can count the number of elements of a set. That number, okay, it is called cardinal number, right, of a set. This is the number of elements that are there. If suppose x is any set, so the cardinal number of x will be equal to 0, then it means that set is an empty set, or usually we denote it like this. See, okay, braces, the regular way of writing the sets, but empty braces, nothing written inside these braces. It is used to denote empty set. One more sign is there, right, like this. Okay, this also denotes an empty set, right? Both of these, any of them you can use. Okay, and very important thing was that the cardinal number is 0. That means it has no elements. So this is all about empty sets. Let's do the questions. First part says odd numbers divisible by 2. If there are no elements in that set, it is an empty set. Are there any odd numbers which are divisible by 2? No. Oh, the definition only says odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. So that means there is no odd number which is divisible by 2. That means it is an empty set, right? Now, second one, prime numbers which are even. Okay, let's see. Is there a prime number that is even? 3 is odd, right, but 2 is even. 2 is the smallest prime number, as we know. It is the only even prime number also, right? So is this an empty set? No, you can write it like this, right? So it's not an empty set. No, it is not an empty set. Then third part says cubes with 8 faces. Now we have done little bit of geometry, okay, and we have also done a little bit of 3D one where we have length, breadth and height, right? One such thing that we make there, it is what? It is a cube, right? Something like this. Okay, in geometry we've studied, right? Although it's not looking like a cube, but still try to get it is a cube. Let's see how many faces are there in this, right? So basically there is this face 1, then this face is there 2, then this face here 3, and then 4. Okay, front, back, top and bottom, left and right already done. So total 6 faces are coming, right? Yes or no? Fine. See it this way only, like suppose if you see a cube from a perspective, right? Let me bring it here. See here, right? Try to take this as an example. Just now what I told, I'll show you. This is a cube, right? So see here, top, bottom, front, back, left and right. Total how many faces? 6 faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So all the cubes that you see, they have 6 faces only. Are there any cubes that have 8 faces? No, it's not possible, right? Cubes will always have 6 faces. So third set is also an empty set, right? Then you have fourth set, right? This says x is such that x belongs to whole numbers, right? We have done this sign previously also. How to read this? This is in the set builder form, right? So x is such that x belongs to whole numbers, x plus 3 is less than 3. Now see, they have given us this inequality that you have to solve. Okay, they are saying that we have got this inequality, x plus 3 is less than 3. Okay, we have to solve it, but condition is x should be a whole number as it is given in the question. Okay, very simple. You can take it here, x plus 3 minus 3 is less than 3 minus 3. Okay, I am subtracting 3 from both the sides. What will that be? X is less than 0. Yes. So according to this, the value of x is coming what? Think less than 0. What numbers are there? Negative numbers are there. Yes. Value of x is coming negative in minus. But what does the set say? X belongs to whole numbers. And what are whole numbers? They start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, so on. There are no negative numbers in the set of whole numbers, right? That is why this set is an empty set, right? Because x value is negative according to the inequality, but it should be whole number according to the set. So we will follow the condition which is given. And since no value is coming, this is an empty set, okay? So fourth part also what? Empty set, right? Then see days with 1440 minutes, okay? It is asking us the number of days that have 1440 minutes. Again, very simple, right? This is basic math, right? See here, in every day how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. Yes. And in 1 hour how many minutes are there? 60 minutes are there. So in 24 hours there will be 24 into 60 minutes, or yes or no? Say if 24 hours are there in a day and in each hour 60 minutes are there, then in 24 hours there will be 24 into 60 minutes. What will this be? 6 into 4, 24. 2 carried over, 6 into 2, 12, plus 2, 14, and put 1 0 of this 60 here. So 1440 what? Minutes, right? This is what? Number of minutes in a day. How many days are there in an year? Generally we say 365 days. Okay, so do you see that this is not an empty set? We are getting how many days that have 1440 minutes in a year? 365. If you take it on a longer age, it will be more. So definitely this is not an empty set. We have values for this, right? That's why we are not taking the fifth part. So the only 3 sets that are empty sets are these: first, third and the fourth, and that is your final answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and